You're flying, you just built your first AI app in 5 minutes. You close your laptop thinking, tomorrow I'll polish it. Tomorrow comes, and you see this, 404, app builder not found. The button is gone, your project looks missing. And I'll be real, the first time this happened to me, I had a client deadline. I thought I just lost hours of work and was about to miss my deadline. But listen, you didn't break anything. This is a Rollout Plus region availability issue, not your app. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you the cleanest ways to get access back and keep building even if you're still waiting on Rollout. Hey, it's Max. Welcome back to Tech in Mind, where we don't just talk about AI, we turn it into real power. After part 1, my DMs were the same message on repeat. Max, app builder disappeared. What did I do wrong? Quick disclaimer, Google is rolling this out live, so results vary, but I'll show you what worked for me and what's working for people in our community right now. In this video, you'll get the 4 real triggers behind this lockout, a 60-second fix checklist, and 1 momentum workflow you can use to keep shipping, whether or not the UI comes back today. Let's go. Here's what's happening. App.new isn't available equally everywhere. Some regions get App Builder instantly. Some get it. Then it disappears. Some don't see it at all. This isn't your skill. It's region, account, and rollout gating. So if you're seeing build mode missing or app returns 404, you're not alone. You're just on the wrong side of the rollout. This usually comes down to 4 factors. 1. Region. Network. Location features are enabled by geography and rollout buckets. 2. Unstable network signals. If your connection keeps switching, Wi-Fi, hotspot, office network, the system may flag you as inconsistent. 3. Account type. Work or school accounts can hide features you can't control. A clean personal account often behaves differently. 4. Temporary access. Windows. Sometimes you get access for a day, then it vanishes. Your project usually isn't deleted. The builder UI is just hidden. Alright, here's the clean checklist. Do this first. Step 1. 10-second reality check. If your region isn't supported yet, you may simply be waiting for rollout, and that's not your fault. Step 2. Clean session. Incognito. Disable heavy extensions. Sign in fresh. This fixes a ton of UI cache glitches. Step 3. Personal account test. If you're on work, or school, try a personal Google account. Step 4. Stay stable for 1 session. 1 network. No hopping Wi-Fi. Hotspot mid-build. Consistency beats speed. If App Builder comes back, perfect. If it doesn't, you're still moving. Here's how. This workflow keeps your project moving, and for some people, it also brings the full Builder UI back. Here's the idea. Import/export can sometimes trigger the full Builder interface for some accounts during rollout. In my tests and community reports, this often helps when rollout gating is the issue, but it's not guaranteed. Here's the process. In any account where App Builder is visible, create a tiny project. Hello World is enough. Export it to GitHub using the built-in export feature. Switch to your primary account. In App.new, hit import and pull that repo from GitHub. If it restores the UI, amazing. If it doesn't, you still get a pro workflow, version control, collaboration, and a reliable way to keep shipping. Now I want real global data, not guesses. Comment 1. Word, fixed, if access came back. Still locked. If you're still blocked, if you want, add your country too. We're mapping patterns so we can help more people faster. And if you're still locked, comment what you tried. We'll troubleshoot together. And here's the next nightmare every creator hits the moment they deploy. What if your $0 prototype goes viral, and you wake up to a $300+ cloud bill you never approved? Not because you messed up, but because billing runs quietly in the background. In part 3, I'll show you the exact financial kill switch, hard budget caps, alerts at the first charge attempt, and the safest settings so you can sleep while your AI tool runs. Subscribe and tap the bell, because part 3 isn't about building faster, it's about building without getting burned. I'm Max. This is Tech and Mind. Remember, great tools shouldn't depend on luck. Now go build something amazing,